Hello, hello. I haven't seen you in a while. Well, today we're going to talk about tense and we're going to talk about the future with will. As you know, there are two forms of future. One is will and the other one is be going to. Today we are going to talk about will. Then, when do we use will? We use will for predictions, just like the one we see in the picture. It will rain. And also for decisions and offers, just like the example you see here. Which size do you want? Medium or large? I'll have large. Easy peasy. Then predictions and decisions and offers. There are things that are not sure, they are probabilities. Okay? Then, what are the adverbs we use with will? Soon, like they will finish their project soon. Later, we can call you later tonight. Eventually, they will move to a bigger house eventually. Probably, I will probably go to the beach this weekend. Maybe she will maybe come to the party tonight. Perhaps I will perhaps take a nap this afternoon. As you see, all of these are activities that are not planned. They are not planned. Then, how do we write or how do we use will? Well, we are going to use a person, then the auxiliary verb will, and then the verb. Like the example in affirmative, I will work. Negative, I won't work. Want is the contraction of will and want together. Interrogative, will I work? Then this is going to be the case for all the persons. Then remember, when we are talking, when we're using present, we change um, the verbs with he, she, and it. This is not the case with will. They are going to stay the same with I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. Then the formula to make sentences, how we're going to do it, as we do in all the other tenses. First, we're going to write the person, then the auxiliary verb will, then the verb in base form, and then more information like we have here. I as a person, will, auxiliary verb, work is a verb in base form, for his mom is more information. Then she will swim for a competition. Jean and Rose will go to high school. That is the affirmative. Then, like we were saying before, what is going to be the negative? The negative is going to be with, instead of will, we're going to write want and the verb in base form. I won't work for his mom. If you see, the formula stays the same. We don't change anything but will for want. Then the negative, the interrogative, sorry, the interrogative. Then what do we do here? If you see, the only thing that changed in this sentence is that we are writing will at the beginning and we are writing at the end a question mark. Then we use will, person, verb in base form, and more information. Will I work for his mom? Then, if we take out will, the sentence is just like the present. I work for his mom. Then, to make it future interrogative, we add will. Will I work for his mom? Then, the only thing that changes is the will at the beginning. This is very important to know. The sentences has always the same order. Then, if you want to have any help for to do your sentences, just go to reversal conjugation, and then in that page you are going to see how all the verbs are conjugated in the different tenses. Then I hope this was very helpful for you. Thank you. Bye bye.